Matter is any substance that has mass and takes up space. You, me, and everything surrounding us is matter. Even the air around us is considered to be matter. Matter has a volume and occupies space. Your can of soda is considered matter because it has volume and occupies a certain space, the dimension of the soda can. Matter exists in three states: as a solid, such as with the ice cube, or as a liquid, such as with water, or in gaseous state, such as with water vapor. In solid state, the particles of matter are close together. They give the solid its definite shape and volume. The second state of matter is liquid. In liquid, the particles can slide over and move within the container, giving the matter its definite volume, but with varied shapes according to the container. Matter in gaseous state has no definite shape or volume, and there is a large distance between particles. We refer to the particles that the matter formed from as atoms. Atoms are the smallest building blocks of matter. Any matter that forms from similar types of atoms is called element. Commonly, all elements are described with a chemical symbol that is extracted from the name of the element. For example, the carbon symbol is C, and the iron symbol is Fe, from the Latin name ferrum, where K symbol represents the name of the element potassium, from the Arabic or Latin name of potassium. Here we have an example of two elements in two different physical states. A solid sodium bar, Na, that consists only of sodium atoms, and the chlorine gas, which is in its gaseous state. Chlorine gas, Cl2, is formed when two chlorine atoms are bonded together through a covalent bond. The chlorine gas, Cl2, is an element as well because it consists of only one type of atoms, the chlorine atoms. From that, we can see that both solid metallic sodium and the chlorine gas are elements, since each of them consists of one type of atoms. Sodium consists of sodium atoms, and the chlorine consists of chlorine atoms. But what about matter that consists of different types of atoms? Any matter that formed of different types of atoms is called compound. For example, sodium chloride salt is formed of one sodium ion, which is a positive sodium atom, ionically bonded to one chloride ion, which is a negative chlorine atom. We said that matter is classified into pure substances, which can be either element or compound. Another type of matter is mixture. The mixture can be either homogeneous mixture or heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture form one single phase, that they look as they are one substance, such as with salt and water. Notice, salt itself is a compound made out of sodium atoms ionically bonded to chlorine atoms, which is mixed with water by stirring. Water itself is considered to be a compound as well. Water is made out of two hydrogen atoms covalently bonded to one oxygen atom. The other type of mixture is the heterogeneous mixture. The heterogeneous mixture is made out of two or more compounds mixed together to form more than one phase, such as oil and water. Notice this type of mixture is also made out of two compounds the liquid water, and the liquid oil that float over the water layer and can be separated using separating funnel. Atoms are very tiny, with only 100 picometers across. Nevertheless, they even contain subatomic particles. The major subatomic particles are protons, neutrons, and electrons. All atoms consist of these three components. First, the neutron, which is neutrally charged and found in the center of the atom. The second component is proton. Protons are found in the center of the atom as well, and they are positively charged. The last component is the electron. Electrons are found around the nucleus, and they are negatively charged. Protons and neutrons exist in the center of the atom. We refer to the center of the atom as the nucleus. What makes atoms differ from element to element is the number of these subatomic particles. For example, a hydrogen atom contains 1 electron and 1 proton, whereas the helium atom contains 2 protons, 2 neutrons, and 2 electrons. This makes helium 4 times heavier than hydrogen. 4 times heavier because the weight of the helium atom, the atomic mass, which is the sum of the protons and the neutrons, is equal to 4. 2 protons plus 2 neutrons. And the atomic mass of the hydrogen is equal to 1. 1 single proton. There is no neutrons. Notice that we refer to the sum of protons and neutrons as the atomic mass. The other term is the atomic number. The atomic number is the number of protons inside the nucleus, or the number of electrons surrounding the nucleus in a neutrally charged atom. A quick summary: any substance that has volume and occupies space is referred to as matter. Matter can exist in 3 states, either solid, liquid, or gas. The matter is classified into pure substances or mixtures. Pure substances can be either formed from one type of atoms. We name them elements, or they can be made up of different types of atoms. We name them compounds. As for the mixture, it is formed from different substances mixed together. Mixture can be either homogeneous, which means substances are mixed together to form one single phase, such as with salt and water. Or it can be heterogeneous, formed from more than one phase, such as with oil and water.